Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody, how are you all doing? So today I'm drawing this freehand drawing of a girl, and I found the reference on Pinterest and I was just fascinated by the look of it. It was the look of 80s and I just wanted to draw it. I couldn't record the whole process on video, but I'm sharing whatever I've recorded, and I hope and wish that it can help you in any way. I started this sketch with basic shapes using Willow Charcoal, and I just blocked all the shadows and the dark area first with the Willow Charcoal because it's very easy to erase, and I can make tweaks and I can adjust features and everything that I want. So I was just playing along with it and see how to do, how to make it and how I can work with it. I was just literally playing with it. The material I have used is a willow charcoal, compressed charcoal, soft charcoal pencil, 4B graphite pencil, and kneaded eraser and electric eraser. I found this freehand style very liberating. Please share your thoughts on it. How do you feel about it? Because I feel like what, you can play with it, and it always feels so relaxing and so good when you see that you created a sketch or a portrait or anything from scratch, and you are just building up the foundation with added layers of darks and light areas, and you're just working and playing along with it. It always feels good, at least to me. And I've seen many great artists who are using grid and who are doing great job. I don't know why it never worked for me. I feel like trapped in it, and I don't feel like my creativity is there yet. But in freehand style, I feel like I can do anything. And then when I create that the end product, it is like, oh my god, it's like magic. It was not good looking good, but now it's just so amazing. Please share your experience with freehand style or drawing or even watching it with me in comment section. It means a lot to me, guys. Please, I need your support. Please share my channel, my videos with your friends and family. Tell me what you want to see. How can I help you? How can I make my videos better and I can create a better experience for you? Please let me know, and I look forward to it. You can also connect with me on social media. The links are in description below. And yeah, please tell me, guys. It means a lot. And thank you so much for staying with me and watching it. And I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed the experience. I hope you do too. And yeah, thank you so much. And until next time, my friends, take care. Bye bye. Oh yeah, and this shine that you are seeing now, it's because I've added that varnish at the end. This is because of that.